Hi everyone, Mr. Kennelly here. Just running through a higher paper. So here we go, questions 3 and 4. And this is paper 5, that's the higher, non-calculated from June 2019. So here we go. Ed is a card shop. Here's a particular card for £1.20 and it sells for £1.68. Calculate the percentage profit on this card. Okay. Now it is non-calculated, so we're going to have to do a little bit more work than normal here. The first thing we do is to work out the difference, and because it's decimal, £1.20, £1.68, I don't like working in decimals. I can do it, but I don't like it. So I'm going to work in pence. I'm going to consider 120 pence and 168 pence. So the first thing I'm going to work out is the amount, or the difference. And the difference is 48 pence. Okay, that's how much physically I've made on the card, and we always divide by our original amount, so 48 over 120 and times by 100 would bob that into a percent for us. Okay, now just experience here, I'm going to cancel this 48 over 120. A nice factor for me there is 12s, so there's 4 12s and 10 12s. So that equals 4 over 10 times 100, which equals 40% profit. Okay. A few different methods. You could just cancel that fraction to 4 over 10, and you know 4 over 10 is 40%. Next one, and this is I have to say, quite a poorly written question just because it refers to different sort of times. It should refer to that first problem as being in 2017, which it doesn't. So part B, Ed's profit on good luck cards in 2018 was £360. This was a decrease of 20% on his profits in 2017. Work out Ed's profit on good luck cards in 2017. Okay, so it should refer to the first part of the question as 2017. So the first thing, it's a decrease of 20%. So the first thing we need to be aware of is that it was 40%. A decrease of 20% gives you 20%. Now because it's a reverse percentage, what it's telling us is that £360 equates to 80%. That's 100% less your 20. Okay. So I always work out my 1% value. So my 1% value is 360 divided by 80. Okay. Now because it's non-calculated, I'm just going to slice the zeros off. So 1% is 36 over 8. Now, little tip, you can halve it 3 times. So half of 36 is 18, half of 18 is 9, that's 2, and half of 9 is 4.5 or 4.5. So 1% equals 4.5. We want to find out the full total, which is 100 times that, or 100%. So 100% equals £450. I hope that's right, because I haven't got the mark scheme. Pretty averagely written question, I have to say. That's what I would do. Okay, part 4A. A sunflower grows at a rate of 4 centimetres each day. How many days does it take to grow? It's hard for me to read this because it's split up the wrong way around. From a height of 80 centimetres to more than 1.06 metres. Okay, so the first thing we need to be aware, 1.06 metres is 106 centimetres, and so the growth is actually, or after it is 26 centimetres. And I'm going to divide that by 4 because it's 4 every day, so I'm going to half, which is 13 and half again, which is 6.5 centimetres. Sorry, days. Apologies. Well, we can't count a half day. It's got to be more than, so it would have to be the nearest rounded up value. So I'm going to say my interpretation of that question is 7 days. Okay. The sunflower if the sunflower grows at a faster rate, how would this affect your answer to part A? Well, if it grows faster, it's going to get to the 26 centimetres in a faster time or a quicker time. So it would. I'm going to put a couple of things here. Decrease amount of time to grow to more than 1.06 metres, or something to that effect. Okay, hope I've interpreted them correctly because I haven't got the mark scheme, but I think that's pretty good. And that's 3, 6, 9, that's 10 marks. Hope that helps.